The date of the presentation of iPhone SE 9 is known. It is expected that in the first half of this year we will observe a rather exciting battle of Android smartphones with Snapdragon 865 and the ability to connect to 5G networks. At the same time, Apple is preparing an interesting enough novelty that should help this brand take off. The well-known tipster on Twitter account @AppLeaks said that the launch of the iPhone SE iPhone 9 is scheduled for mid-March, but it should be borne in mind that the Samsung Galaxy S20 series will be presented on March 6. Those when Apple is going to roll out a budget employee to the market. The Korean technology giant will try to surprise us with a premium 5G-enabled Android smartphone. Earlier it was reported that after the resumption of work this month, Foxconn will immediately begin to collect the budget smartphone Apple. Analysts predict that Apple has placed an order for more than 10 million devices. According to rumors, the iPhone SE iPhone 9 will be a budget alternative to the iPhone 7-8s. It will receive a 4.7-inch LCD screen, a built-in fingerprint scanner, Touch ID, one main camera sensor and an A13 processor. This should not rely on the availability of support for 5G networks. The initial price may be at the level of the first SE, $399 per version with a 64GB drive.